2, 1.
This is my family. They created me to make a difference. They taught me to be curious and to never stop exploring. I always have their backs, even at 300 feet. Up here, I can see things from every angle so work can be done more efficiently.
Inspection complete. Asset is clear.
I help keep the environment cleaner and our people safe by minimizing their time on the road. And I have to admit, the view is pretty amazing. From the moment I get up to the moment I fall asleep. I work tirelessly to make the world a better place for all of us. But it hardly feels like work because I was made for this.